Alright, you guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is pulling up this seat. So we just kind of pop it up. Nice. And then pull it towards you and it literally just comes out. Ooh, what's this? A DS, Nintendo DS. Moving on. Move that out. I'm getting paid for this job, kind of. Then we kind of move this stuff up. Yay, there's the 10mm bolts. All right. So at this moment, I don't smell any fuel. Okay, do this with gloves, you guys, because there's gonna be fuel. That smells so good. Yummy. That smells delicious. Just in case it has fuel on it, we have a bottle here, because this might get crazy. Looks like you, ooh, yum. Okay, get a rag. Get a lot of rags, because this is leaking really good. Try not to get any fuel on your paint, because it's really not good for paint. That smells so good. I'm like addicted to the smell of fuel. So hopefully it's not leaking from any cracks. So just get a bottle and be fucking ready. Okay. I don't even know if I'm ready. Okay, here we go. I have good grip on it. Oh my god. Lord, keep me safe. I did not unplug the battery. It's hot. The fuel is warm. I don't really know if I'm gonna put this back in there. I mean, it's not like it's gross fuel. That still smells so good. Put the cap on. You have to take off this ring that I've heard is pretty hard to take off. Some people have had, so there's an actual tool for this too, but that's why I have a flathead and a fucking hammer. Oh my god, what the hell was that? Whoa, what the fuck? What? What just happened? Maybe the pressure, like, released or something? I don't know what the hell just happened. Oh no, my car's gonna smell like fuel forever. Just to let you guys know, my car doesn't smell like fuel anymore. So if this accidentally happens to happen to you, you'll be fine. Okay, you guys, good thing I'm doing it. Fuck. So this doesn't happen to you, right? Oh my god. Okay, I don't even know if this is turning, so I'm gonna make a mark and hope that it is. Yeah. Yay. Okay. That is gonna go right there. Okay. Awesome sauce. So I'm just replacing this seal right here. Okay, I don't really see what was wrong with it, but it's whatever. What if it's not chunky enough? Make sure nothing drops underneath there. Okay. Okay, so I'm just making sure that it's seated in there properly. And it is awesome. Now to put the sending unit back in. Oh yeah, nice, cool. And now you just screw it back on. Oh no, this is cracked. Oh, it's gonna keep leaking. Good to know. Good to know. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Wow, this is a pain in the ass to fucking get back on. Yay. So this is it, you guys. Just make sure that you make a mark so you know when it's not turning anymore, and then you'll know that it's tight enough. Before you put on the black cover with the 10mm bolts, go ahead and turn on the car, and then you'll see if there's fuel leaking from any cracks.